Let's take a look at finding the median in Excel. First I need to type in some numbers. Doesn't matter what you put in, they don't have to be in order. Okay, so I got some numbers. Now I can type equals median, beginning parentheses, my first cell, which is A1, colon, my last cell, which is A8, and then closing parentheses. Now this has to have an equals there, has to say median, has to have the beginning parentheses, have to have closing parentheses at the end. And again, the A1 is always your beginning cell. The last one, A8, is your ending cell. And then it'll work with every cell in between and including A1 to A8. And then you press enter. That's one way. If I do the drop down, again, we have our sum button up here, what you're used to pushing. We showed this in an earlier video where it doesn't do any good just to click this because it'll put the sum on there. But again, there's a drop down here, and you see there's no median here, but you see there's more functions. And when this comes up, you can do the drop down here, and you can scroll down and choose the statistical one. I guess I didn't need to scroll down today. And then if you browse through, you see median. And if I click OK on that, it'll pop up here with a range, and it says A1 to A9. I really want A1 to A8. Spaces just shouldn't hurt in Excel, but just to be on the safe side, if I have this right here, I could type it in. Like I could type in A8 like that, definitely. Or if you have this deleted, let's say delete that, I can click over here in A1 and drag with my left mouse button down, and you put the A1, A8 there, and then you click OK. And one last way is that was the auto sum. If you do your FX here, it'll pop up with the same menu that we saw before. And you don't have to choose statistical and choose median. You could just try to type in here what you want. Find median. And once you choose to go, assuming I typed enough, it would find it. See how median's our first one now? And then I click OK. And again, this is highlighted. If it isn't highlighted, then that's an issue, and I'll talk about that. But if that's highlighted, if I click an A1 with my left mouse button and hold down and drag down, it'll put that new range there. Now I believe since it's to the right of it now, if I did that A1 to A8 again, I'm wrong. It just replaces it. So I guess it doesn't matter whether you have it highlighted or not. And then you click OK. And that's how you find the median using Excel version 16.